subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Huawei has silently launched its new Nova series phone in Malaysia called Huawei Nova 9 SE with a stylish rear panel design. Talking about the specifications, the Huawei Nova 9 SE features a tall 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate and 270Hz touch sampling rate support. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU, and it packs with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. In terms of camera, the Huawei Nova 9 SE supports a quad camera setup in an elliptical module at the top left corner that includes a 108MP main camera with a 1.9 aperture, plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 112° field of view, plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 11 based on EMUI 12 skin on top, and it is backed by a large 4000 mAh battery that supports 66W supercharging. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also includes Graphene heat dissipation system that keeps the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.64 by 75.55 by 7.94mm, and it weighs around 191 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Huawei Nova 9 SE has been priced in Malaysia at 1099 Malaysian ringgits, and it is now available for pre-orders in the country in crystal blue, midnight black, and pearl white color options. So what do you guys think of this Huawei Nova 9 SE smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.